Hello everybody, and this is Ganesh, and in this video I am going to explain about factor theorem with a few examples. And my dear friends, just I want to tell you one request. Please subscribe this channel and share these videos to reach whomever they are interested to learn, the students. Please share it, and at the same time you have to subtract each and everything, and you are helping me to improve my channel also. And those who are required persons are there, they can get all these things. And thank you. Yes, first here I've taken one example. So after this example, I'll explain what is factor theorem and its definition and each and everything. For example, here P of x is a polynomial, and this polynomial is divides with x plus 2. Then already we discussed about remainder theorem. So can we find remainder by using remainder theorem here? Yes, we can find it. So first find the remainder. Let us see what happened. So to find the remainder for x plus 2, x value we have to find it. For that, x plus 2 is equal to 0, x equal to minus 2. So x value minus 2. So if we want the remainder of p of x, and if we divide p of x is divides with x plus 2, what is the remainder means? I told you, according to remainder theorem, just we have to substitute x value in the given polynomial, that is p of minus 2. So substitute it and simplify. So minus 2 whole cube, 2 into minus 2 whole square, plus 3 into minus 2 plus 6. Then after simplification, I'll get here minus 8, and here plus 8, and here minus 6, and here plus 6. So finally we got, and here minus 6 plus 6 cancel, minus 8 plus 8 cancel, finally 0 is the remainder. So the value of p of x is 0 if the x value is minus 2. Then in this way we can find the remainder. So we all know that we are using remainder. Yes. So whenever the remainder, if any kind of polynomial divided with a linear polynomial, then if we get remainder is 0, the value of polynomial is 0, the remainder is 0, then we can say x plus 2 is the factor of the given polynomial. Therefore x plus 2 is a factor of the given polynomial. So this is factor theorem. This is we can say factor theorem. In this factor theorem, generally remainder theorem is involving in this. So in this way we can say the given linear polynomial is a factor of the given polynomial or not. Easily we can say that. So here what we are using means, generally, for example, 2 into 5 is 10. So how can then what happened here? 5 and 2 are factors of 10, we can say. Why? Because 2 and 5 exactly divides 10, and 10 is exactly divides by 2 and 5. That means if we divide 10 with 5, 5 2 is 10, the remainder is 0. So if you want to divide 10 with 2, 2 5 is 10, remainder is 0. That means if any number is dividing with any other number, if we get remainder is 0, then easily we can say those numbers are factors of the given numbers. So at the same thing we are using for the polynomials also. Just if any two polynomials given, and the given polynomial is factor of the given polynomial or not, how can we say? Just by using remainder theorem, find the remainder. If the remainder is 0, then we can say the given linear polynomial is factor of the given polynomial. Now coming to the definition of factor theorem. When p of x is any polynomial, they said p of x is any polynomial, and here any polynomial means the degree of the polynomial must be always greater than or equal to 1. So that is the polynomial. For such kind of polynomial that is divided with x minus a, it's a linear polynomial, then Then the remainder of this, remainder means how can we find it? P of A is equal to 0. P of A is equal to 0. That means this is the remainder is 0. Then the given x minus A is factor of the given polynomial. The x minus A is factor of P of x given polynomial. So this is the definition we are giving for factor. And here the question is f of x and g of x, two polynomials, and the question is for f of x, g of x is a factor or not. That is the question. So determine the thing that is g of x is factor of f of x or not. Simply what we have to do, by using remainder theorem, find the remainder for these two. That means first find the x value from g of x. That means x plus 1 equal to 0, x equal to minus 1. So this minus 1, by using remainder theorem, find the remainder. So that x value substitute in the f of x. That means f of minus 1 is equal to 5 into minus 1 whole cube. So minus 1 whole square. That means wherever x value is there, x is there we have to put minus 1. So now simplify it. Here minus 1 whole cube means minus 1 only. So minus 1 into 5, minus 5. And the second thing is minus 1 whole square, that is plus 1. And minus 1 into minus 1, minus 5 into minus 1, plus 5, minus 1. That equal to here minus 5 plus 5 cancel, plus 1, minus 1 cancel, finally 0. So if the remainder is 0, then easily we can conclude. So g of x is factor of the g of x is factor of f of x. So x plus 1 is a factor of f of x. In this way we can find it. And now one example, factorize the given polynomial, that is x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2. So this is generally quadratic polynomial, means we can find the factors, and normally any other things are there, we can find a linear polynomial also we can find the fact. But for the cubic polynomials, how can we find the factors? So here we have to use what is that, factor theorem. So according to factor theorem, first at least we have to find one factor for this. After that, with that factor we have to divide the given polynomial. We'll get another quadratic polynomial as a quotient. So that quadratic polynomial we can easily factorize by splitting middle term splitting method. So what we have to do, first the given polynomial we have to give one name, that is p of x. So for this p of x we have to find at least one factor by trial and error method. That means x value we have to take 1 minus 1, 2 minus 2, that kind of numbers we have to take. Wherever we are getting 0 is the remainder, then we can say that is the factor of the given polynomial. Let us say first I will take 1. So here p of 1, that means here x value is equal to 1 I am taking. Then in the place of x substitute 1 cube minus 1 square minus 1 plus 2. Now 1 minus 2 minus 1 plus 2. Yes, here plus 1 minus 1 cancel, minus 2. Yes, 0 we got it directly. If we substitute 1 only, we'll get 0 is the remainder. Then we can say x equal to 1. X equal to 1 means what is this? X minus 1. X minus 1 equal to 0. That means what? X minus 1 is a factor of the given polynomial. So one factor we got it. So remaining two factors, that means here cubic polynomial means we have total according to the degree, total 3 factors are there. One factor we got it. Then how can we find another 2 factors? Means just division method we have to use it. Division, how to divide, we all know that already. So by using a division we can find a quotient, that means another factor as a quadratic polynomial. That means now divide x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2 is divides with x minus 1, x minus 1. So we all know that already how to divide the polynomials. We all know. For that, first x cube first term we have to take it divided by x, first term of divisor. So if we cancel it, x square we are getting, just substitute here, put as a quotient x square. then x square, using x square, x minus 1 we have to multiply, then is x cube minus x square. Now write it here, x cube minus x square. Now subtract it, minus plus. So these two gets cancelled, plus 2 plus 2x square, sorry, minus 2x square plus x square, that is minus x square. One more term, bring down minus x. So after bringing down minus x, again same procedure, that is minus x square divided with x, then we'll get minus x. So minus x substitute here, write it, and with this minus x again multiply x minus 1. So that is minus x square plus x. These two write it here, minus x square plus x. So after this, now we have to subtract it. So after subtracting, we'll get plus minus, these two gets cancelled, minus x minus 2x, and one more term is there, that is plus 2. So if I bring down plus 2, so again one more, minus 2x by x, that equal to x gets cancelled, minus 2. So minus 2, write it here, then multiply with x minus 1, then we'll get is equal to minus 2x plus 2, that we have to write it here, minus 2x plus 2. Then again subtract it, sorry, then if I subtract these two, it becomes plus, it becomes minus, so these two gets cancelled, this is also finally 0 we are getting. So that means what, x minus 1 and x square minus x, x square minus x and minus 2 is the another factor. So this is also another factor. But again, quadratic equation also we can factorize. So by using a splitting method or whatever it may be. So if I split these two, first minus 2, we'll find factors, 1 2s are, and 1 2s are 2, 1 and 2 are factors, and here middle term minus 1 is there. So if I add these two, minus 1 I needed, that means the biggest number, minus 2x. Minus 2, the minus we have to put it for 2. So now I can split the middle term, plus x minus 2x minus 2. Split it like this. Then from these two, what is the common? X is common, x plus 1 is there. Minus 2 is common, x plus 1 is there. Then finally, x plus 1 take out common. Then x minus 2 is left. So these two are another two factors for the given polynomial. Already we got x minus 1 is a factor. So finally x minus 1, x plus 1 and x minus 2, total 3 factors we got it. So in this way we can find the factors for the given polynomials. I hope you understand well, my dear students. Please share and subscribe and like, and if you have any doubts you can put the comments in the comment box. Thank you very much.